Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And I'm going to be showing you how to start a Faceless Celebrity News YouTube channel 2026 step by step. All right, guys, so you don't need fame, a camera, or insider access to actually run a celebrity news channel in 2026. And in this video, I'll show you how to start a faceless celebrity news channel step by step. So the first step or the very first thing you need to do is pick a celebrity angle. So you don't have to cover everyone. You just have to choose someone you want to cover or a particular group of people or a particular niche of celebrities you want to cover. We have Hollywood rappers, musicians, and rappers, influencers, and creators, reality TV stars, Twitch streamers. There is almost unlimited amount of celebrities and different kind of niches you want to cover. We have celebrities who are in the research niche. We have celebrities that is famous people in hunting. We have different kind of celebrities. So now, like I said, don't cover everyone. Just simply choose an angle. Now, let's say you want to cover musicians or rappers. Basically, you have to create your channel. And creating a YouTube channel is quite easy. We've covered this. Your first step would be to open up YouTube. So head over to www.youtube.com. And then where we have the profile icon or the sign in icon at your top right, just click on the sign in option. Now, go ahead and sign in using your Google account, as a Google account is required to operate a YouTube channel. Now, all you need to do is sign into your Google account or sign into your YouTube account using your Google account and then proceed to give it a name. You can give it a name, or the prompt to give it a name comes immediately after you have signed in using your Google account for the first time. So please keep that in mind. Now, after you have created your channel, you have to pick a name that matches your celebrity. It could be Gunner's celebrity news. It could be just anything related to the celebrity. Now, create a new channel and then use a brand style name like Celeb Pulse, Star Updates, or Popwire. Just you could use ChatGPT for this. You could ask ChatGPT to generate you over 150 celebrity news channels names you can use for your YouTube channel, and then pick the one that has the most catch. That's eye catching. Now, the next step is branding the faceless way. So now you can use Canva. Yes, you can actually use Canva to create logos or text based profile photos. So, if your celebrity interest is Ghana, you could scour Ghana's medias and get some of his content and then use Canva's AI to repurpose it into your YouTube banner or into your YouTube profile picture. You can actually use AI for that. You can even do that on apps like ChatGPT. Now, moving on, using a banner, you can create something like daily celebrity news and updates. Simple branding actually builds trust. You don't have to go over the top for your channel, just something simple that stands out and carries weight. Now, the next thing is finding celebrity news. So you can get your news from places like Twitter, where we have trending topics, Instagram celebrity pages, entertainment blogs, and Google Trends, as well as TikTok trends. And also, which is really rare, YouTube and Pinterest. So you can get your news from those angles, and Facebook at times, and try to curate your content to match the news. The next step you have is creating faceless videos. So make sure to use celebrity photos and short clips. Make sure to use music that matches the vibe. If it's sad or if a celebrity passed away, you know what to do. You need to use black and white filters on your images and also include sad music to them. Now, after including the celebrity photos and short clips, you can add memes if you want your channel to stand out. You can add simple and short memes. You can find memes scattered all across the internet. You can get a meme and place it at the right point and make your channel stand out. Now, don't forget to use a text like captions or subtitles, as well as AI voiceovers. So you can include AI voiceovers in your stuff. Now you can use tools like CapCut or Canva to require this kind of editing and to have this output. And don't forget, the AI voice or simple narration can be gotten on any AI platform that can read out the script. And now the next step is uploading and optimizing for views. So if you don't know how to upload on YouTube, just head over to the YouTube platform itself. If you're a channel, you'll find the YouTube upload icon just beside the notifications. If you don't know, find it here, click on the YouTube logo, that's your channel logo, and then head over to YouTube Studios. So YouTube Studios is going to open up on the dashboard here, and all you need to do is head over to customization. But before that, in order to upload, just click on the upload icon at the dashboard. So click on dashboard, select upload, and you would be able to upload any kind of file or any kind of video to YouTube so far as it meets the requirements. YouTube has its guidelines, YouTube has its copyright lines, YouTube has a lot of restrictions. So make sure your content is ready for the public. Now, back to the customization panel of YouTube. You can use the YouTube Studios customization panel to set in your banner image, like I said. You can use here to upload them. You can use here to correct your profile image to change it. When you click on upload, you can simply upload an image and change it as well. And if you scroll a bit more, you can change your name, your handle, and also add a description. Scrolling a bit further will see you be able to add links, change your channel's URL, and also include contact info for your channel, as well as setting up a video watermark. So you can do all of this with the YouTube Studios. And now monetization. Please try to get your channel across 1,000 subscribers or 2,000 subscribers to get monetized. And then you can make money using YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, and sponsorships, as well as bonuses from your viewers. You can even get donations from them. Now, that's how you can simply go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.